Hello, in this video I want to show you how to bypass and remove parental controls from Redmi 12R. And to do this we'll need to open our system settings and then scroll down for the Google Service tab. Right here we need to find and manage our account. Then change to data and privacy. Scroll down till you see delete account, and it should be right here, delete your Google account, and we'll need to do it, but don't worry, as we'll be recovering this account afterwards and it shouldn't be fully deleted. So after we recover it, we'll get our phone without any parental controls set up. So let's click on that. Now it will ask us for the password, and you will need that password to log in. Here you can read all of the information, what's gonna be deleted, and afterwards apply to both of the settings and click on delete account. And here it says your Google account and all its data have been deleted. In case you have try again thing pop up, then click on try again and just do the same thing, and at some point it should work. So now what we need to do is to open our Google Play Store, and here click on sign in. And simply use your credentials for the account that we've just deleted. Click on next, because it will be restoring it right now. Enter the password for that account. And here it is, something went wrong, error. We're gonna retry with the next. So let's do the same thing again. And it's ready now, and we can back up our contacts if you want. I'm gonna leave it off. And now look at that. If we go to our settings and then again Google Service, we'll find our account back on, and if we enter parental controls, now they are disabled. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.